everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a designer, an architect, a small business owner, or anyone who needs to bring large format visions to life with precision and speed, then you know the struggle: slow prints, blurry lines, unreliable equipment, and ink cartridges that seem to run dry just when you need them most. Well, what if I told you there's a solution that tackles all those frustrations head-on, delivering professional-grade results right from your desktop? Today, we're doing a deep dive into what I believe is one of the most exciting releases of 2025, the Epson SureColor T2170 24-inch desktop wireless poster CAD plotter printer. This isn't just a printer, it's a productivity powerhouse, and in this comprehensive review, I'm going to show you exactly why. First up, let's talk about the heart of this machine, its incredible performance, powered by the PrecisionCore MicroTFP printhead and all-pigment durable inks. This isn't just marketing jargon, it's the secret sauce behind the SureColor T2170's exceptional output. The PrecisionCore technology offers precision droplet control, meaning every single ink droplet is placed with incredible accuracy. For you, that translates into razor-sharp lines for your CAD drawings, crisp text on blueprints, and vibrant, stunning colors for your posters and presentations. No more feathered edges or inconsistent fills, just pure, unadulterated clarity. Plus, with nozzle verification technology, the printer actively monitors and maintains printhead health, ensuring commercial-grade reliability and virtually eliminating misprints. And those all-pigment inks? They deliver not just incredible color and density, but also durability. Your prints will be smudge, fade, and water-resistant, making them perfect for job sites, outdoor signage, or simply ensuring your important documents stand the test of time. This is the kind of consistent, high-quality output that truly elevates your professional image. Now, let's talk about efficiency, because in today's fast-paced world, time is money. The Epson SureColor T2170 truly shines with its fast print speeds and easy-to-operate design. Imagine this: you've just finalized a critical A1 or D size design, and you need it printed now. With the T2170, you can produce those accurate prints in a blistering 43 seconds. That's not just fast, that's game-changing for meeting tight deadlines and keeping your projects moving forward. Gone are the days of waiting around for your large format prints. But speed alone isn't enough, it needs to be easy. And Epson nails it here with a large, intuitive 4.3-inch LCD colored touchscreen. This isn't some clunky, confusing interface. It simplifies every print task, from loading paper to checking ink levels, making the entire process smooth and stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to large format printing, you'll find this printer incredibly user-friendly, saving you valuable time on training and troubleshooting. Finally, let's discuss the modern office demands of connectivity and cost-effectiveness, two areas where the T2170 excels. With integrated wireless and router-free Wi-Fi direct printing, you can print from virtually anywhere in the office. This means incredible flexibility: send jobs directly from your tablet, smartphone, or laptop without being tethered to a physical connection. It's perfect for collaborative environments, allowing team members to print seamlessly from their own devices. This level of convenience significantly streamlines workflow and boosts overall productivity. And when it comes to keeping your operations running smoothly without constant interruptions, the high-capacity cartridges are a lifesaver. You get up to 50 milliliters for color inks and a generous 80 milliliters for black. This means fewer cartridge changes, less downtime, and more prints per cartridge, ultimately reducing your running costs and ensuring your projects stay on track without frustrating pauses. It's these thoughtful details that make the Epson SureColor T2170 a truly top-tier large-format printer. So, after putting the Epson SureColor T2170 desktop wireless plotter printer through its paces, my verdict is clear: this is an outstanding machine. For anyone seeking a reliable, fast, and high-quality solution for CAD, posters, or blueprints, this printer delivers on every promise. Its PrecisionCore Printhead ensures stunning accuracy, the fast speeds keep your projects moving, and the wireless connectivity combined with high-capacity inks makes it incredibly practical and economical for any modern workspace. If you're looking for the best plotter printer or a top large format printer review for 2025, you absolutely need to consider the T2170. It's an investment that will pay dividends in efficiency, quality, and peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your printing capabilities? You can find the link to purchase the Epson SureColor T2170, along with more detailed specifications and the best current deals, right in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and guides, and let me know in the comments what you think of this printer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.